Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to gift Xbox One games on Microsoft Store. First open the Microsoft Store on your Xbox One on your PC or in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account before you continue. Now look for the game you want to gift. You can do this by using the search bar or by browsing through the store categories. Carefully select the correct game when you find it. After opening the game store page, look near the download or buy button. You should see a gift icon right next to the download button. This icon is used to send the game as a gift. Click on the gift icon instead of the normal buy option. Once you click the gift icon, a new screen will appear. Here, you will be asked to enter the email address of the person you want to gift the game to. Make sure the email address is typed correctly. You will also need to enter the name of the person receiving the gift. This name will help them recognize who the gift is for. After entering the email and name, continue to the next step. The store will now ask you to choose a payment method. You can pay using a credit card or a debit card if you have one linked to your account. You can also pay using an e-wallet, depending on what options are available in your region. If you have an Xbox or Microsoft gift card balance, you can choose that as well. Select the payment method that works best for you. When everything looks correct, confirm the purchase. After the payment is completed, the gift will be sent automatically to the email address you entered. Thanks for watching.